Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name. So let's start. Gray color, sky blue color, brown color, red color, light green color, black color, white color, purple color, pink color, peach pink color, orange color, dark green color, yellow color, blue color, dark green color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Yellow color. B for ball. B for ball. Blue color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Pink color. D. D for dog. D for dog. Dark green color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Yellow color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Blue color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Pink color. H. H for hand. H for hand. Dark green color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J. J for joker. J for joker. Blue color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Pink color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Dark green color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Yellow color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Blue color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Pink color. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Dark green color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Blue color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Pink color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Dark green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Blue color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Pink color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Dark green color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.